This is the real-time rows, and this is a complicated question. This is both a remainder question and a polynomial division question. Right, so they're saying take this big polynomial and divide it by this other polynomial, and that is a thing that you can do. And if you haven't seen it before, I'm gonna show you how to do it. If you don't know how to do long division in general, you gotta start with that first. Otherwise, this will just be bonkers nonsense crazy for you. So go look that up if you don't know how to do that. What we're going to do is do the same concept as long division, except we're going to do it with polynomial terms. So you can think of each term as sort of a digit in a number. Instead of whole numbers, we're going to use polynomials. So here's the thing we're dividing into: 2x squared minus 4x plus 5. Here's the thing we're dividing into it: x plus 1. We were given both of those. And they will actually want what is the remainder. So what we're thinking is going to happen is we're going to do this division, but it's not going to divide evenly. So x plus 1 doesn't evenly divide into this polynomial. And what will happen then is at the end of the day, you'll end up with, down here at the bottom, some remainder. Just like what would happen if we try to divide 3 into 5. Right? 3 would go into 5 one time, and we'd have 1 times 3 is 3, and we divide it by 2, and we'd have a 2 left over. So this will be your answer, the 2. So that's what we're looking for, is down here at the bottom what that 2 is. So let's start out. So first thing we're going to do is we're just going to look at, for our first divisor, we're just going to look at the first term in both of these. We're going to say, what do we need to multiply x by so that it equals 2x squared? What's the missing factor? And the answer here is 2x. Right, so if you multiply 2x, now what we're going to do, take 2x and multiply it by the entire divisor. So 2x times x plus 1 will give you 2x squared plus 2x. Now, just like in long division, we're going to subtract these two items. So these cancel out. And what we end up with is negative 4x minus 2x, which will give you negative 6x. Drop the 5. Then ask yourself, okay, now we're going to divide x plus 1 into negative 6x plus 5. So what is the missing factor? Now just look at the left side, the leftmost term again. What do we need to multiply x by to get negative 6x? And the answer is negative 6. Multiply negative 6 by x plus 1, and you get negative 6x minus 6. Now again, just like long division, we're going to subtract those. So the left side always cancels out by design. And we have 5 minus negative 6, or 5 plus 6, which is 11. So here is what you get if you take x plus 1, divide it into 2x squared minus 4x plus 5. What you get is the polynomial 2x minus 6 with a remainder of 11. And that is your answer.